Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Joseph Family Games evening. This evening we're gonna play War. Not just any war, but Wata War, people. We are going to play War with these cards. So both contestants, next one will be sitting over there. Both contestants will draw a card at the same time. The highest card wins, but the loser gets 1 glass of water, not to drink, but thrown on them. At the end of 5 rounds, the loser will get this pail of water. But let me introduce to you our special guest that is on this show. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the apple of my eye and the mother of my child. Put your hands together for Lady Diana S.T. Jones. Come in, Mrs. Joseph. Come in. Okay. Yes, it's night, people, but we're gonna do a thing. So the rules are, we are both going to turn over the cards at the same time. Let me shuffle them to show that there is fairness. While I shuffle them, people, it seems as if somebody, I don't know, is a ghost throw some of the water on this side. So you notice that. So notice that the water is a little less on this side and a little more on that side. And no cheating. I just remind to all contestants, you cannot look at the card. That's a word to all contestants. So I'm shuffling both sides. So. How would I do that? Shuffle your card. No, we're shuffling both of them. And put them together and shuffle them. Yes, no cheating from none of the contestants. Yeah, so we're not going to look at the cards. So there's no skills or tactics. It's just luck. Who is it going to be? Is it going to be she or is it going to be me? If you're on Team Kelvin, say Team Kelvin. Type it in the comment section. If you say Team Diana, I can type in that content. But remember, I'm your favorite YouTuber, people. So here we go. So pick one side. You cannot look at them.
No, but I want to shuffle, so that's right.
Yeah.
Shuffle it again.
You shuffle, yeah. Shuffle.
Again. Shuffle.
You can't look.
I shuffle me, I shuffle carefully.
People, one whole for shuffling and one whole for surveillance, but you don't know what I have over here.
Eh? What is the highest number?
The highest number wins. Yeah, so you can't put all of your high number them up at top or anything like that.
No, why would I do that?
People, to see what is going on here. Somebody try rigs of contestants seem to be trying to do something. We're ready to start this game. No, my turn over there. People, a curfew time now, people still a pass on the road. Why? Curfew time, and why can't still a pass on the road? I don't understand. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. No, that's not how you shuffle the cards. You don't look at the cards to shuffle them.
I know what I'm doing. You never see people shuffle cards like this before?
No, you shuffle them turn over.
Don't worry yourself, man. This is a new way to shuffle. This is my way. No worries.
People, to see what I have to deal with.
What?
Alright.
This one you have to deal with.
Can I shuffle your card?
No.
People feel like the game is rigged.
Ready.
So for the first round, yeah, we'll be in a warm water. After it, so we're not catch the board. So both of us are going to pull the cards same time and turn them over. We're going to show them to the camera and let them see who has the higher card. Start from king, go down to 8. 3, 2, 1, flip. Flip, both at the same time. 3, 2, 1, flip. Ha! A nice time now.
What do you mean?
That jack is bigger than.
That?
Yes.
Well, no, Kelvin.
So people, we're going to turn over this. It's the first time I'm doing this.
No.
Yeah. People, she mash up the coke. Yeah. No, look at water won't kill you. Water not. You're not under the, as long as you're above the water, it won't kill you. Yes. So first cup mash up. It's only one time we're doing this, you know. Alright.
No, I'm playing. What? Alright.
So, 1 round. Champion. So, remember you can't. Stephen never prosper. After 3, 1, 2,
Just the card up to you.
1. No, but we must both flip at the same time. We can put these aside. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I don't know what I don't.
Hold on.
You're aggressive, sir. Wait no.
Turn over.
It's turned over.
Yes, it turned
Alright, you
over.
can
so
put
that
that
one.
aside. Wow.
Wow.
You're
You just
aggressive,
don't
sir.
barely touch you.
You're
Barely
aggressive.
touch you.
You're
Ready
aggressive, sir.
again?
You're aggressive, sir. Oh, you
Carry
fix
them
them.
up.
You make me win one and you're try win 4. You fix them.
Oh, fix them, tell me.
Shuffle.
If I had fixed
People, you
them-
think we must shuffle again?
No,
Yes.
me not shuffle
People,
them,
them, if you think we must shuffle, say something in the comments.
Me not shuffle them.
3,
2,
2,
1.
1. Flip. 5. Okay, so in war, this means war now. So when you both of us draw the same card, we must draw 3 cards. So that I can minus all of the one where you fix at the top, and then we will turn over the 4th one. When both
Yeah,
So we
we
both-
got it.
5 and 5, so we're gonna draw 3 cards and turn over the 4th one.
Right.
So don't flip it over, only the 4th one. 1, 2, 3, and now we turn over the 4th one.
Hey!
Oh wait there. Oh, it's at the orange.
Come again, ready again. What you say? What you say? Talk to me. Talk to me. What you say?
So you fix them 1 or 2, you fix it, you go far though. You fix it, go far.
You have to think never prosper. Never prosper. You say you come duck me?
Alright.
Ready.
Alright. After 3, we flip over. 1, 2, 3. You fix it.
I'm right.
You fix all of something over the top. People, you think so she cheap? I shuffle it right in front of you guys.
And I shuffle it too. But I even cheat do not make it doing nothing. Alright, ready again.
Alright. Alright, can show them. Alright.
This one some more.
Yeah, you want to show you lower my one, but you want to pull up your one. Anyway, 3, 2, your time now. 3, 2. Wait, next, stay in the camera, stay in the frame.
You don't see me?
They're coming now.
Okay.
Them people can't see. Can you see her? No, we can't see. 3, 2, 1, flip.
Oh, gee.
Is the loser must get this way.
Oh,
Or is the loser must get after 5 rounds?
We're done. Oh, my cup them done. Oh, no. Oh, after.
Yeah, after
Alright.
5th round.
Oh, sorry. I was just getting ahead of myself. So I'm eating money already.
No, after the 5th, after you finish the first up, then they will lose
Ready.
against this.
Stop it talking. Just get started.
People, me don't know how she do it. Me don't know what kind of prayer you pray before you start this.
You say there's no skill that is required. I
No
just said
skill
so.
required,
We can't
but it's
practice
just luck.
a card. We can't stack all the cards like that. So don't bother with.
But look like you want to get up. Look like you want to get up and run out of the game, don't people? Alright. 3, your time now. 3, 2, 1, flip. 3 and 3, so this is war again. She picked 3 and me pick 3. So we're gonna turn over the 4th card. You keep the first 3 covered. 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one turn over, flip over. Wait, come now, sit down, it's your time. Look how much you wet me up. Baby, so it's time she wet me up. You know, you're my dog. You're my dog. You water don't, as long as you remain above the water don't kill you.
So you be so I
Water
can do
don't kill you. But you throw water in my ears, in my nose, everything. You throw them on. John, there, father. Alright, give me a sec. Put these aside. Alright. Wait, no. Wait there.
No, we done, man, we done.
People. The cup them over there is full. Look on this cup.
I'm sure some back.
Alright. It's one cup you have left. So, when you're done this, then we'll play one more round for this. So, when we reach 3, you turn over. 1, 2, 3. Flip. 3. Alright.
Yeah.
People walking in my ears.
I'm carrying a gift for your shoe.
Everything you echo.
Alright, come. Don't tell me, let us get this.
Wow.
Come, ready.
Oh.
Ready?
Wait there. For the last one, I think we should shuffle. If it's the last one. Let's hope it's not the last one, people. Your favorite YouTuber is gonna win. Your favorite YouTuber. I'm gonna shuffle.
So what
Shuffle. No. So, yeah. So, we're playing for this. No. If you win, 3. After 1, 2.
You have to give one of them there.
No. So when you win now, if you win now, you have to give me this. I mean the game done.
Oh.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Win. Me win. Me win. Me win. S is biggest. S is the biggest. Yes.
No,
Ace is the biggest. Ace, then king, then queen, then jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 8. Yeah. Yes.
Keep no prosper here. Hold on.
This is 2 cups full of water. Come on.
We not watch your face, you know. Ready.
3, 2, 1. Wow. Yes, I allowed her to win, people.
You really allowed me to win?
I allowed her
so
to
much.
win.
I greatly appreciate you allowing me to win.
People, I allowed.
You get that shower today, then it was the war.
People, we not bed before we got to bed. So people, I allowed her to win. Yes, I allowed her to win. Just for the record. Yeah, she's my wife, so I allowed her to win. They say must always allow the ladies to win. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, share with your friends. I'm going to call it tonight. So thank you for watching this video. Until next time, it's Calvin Joseph Comedy. And big up to my guest. Yes, I allowed her to win.
So
thank you
nice.
very much. Later.